you.
I don't think Alexis wants to sing happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday to you.
Oh. Yay, I got a ball! Here. No one's clapping?
What's special about that ball, Tiana?
It's silent.
Kind of. Yay.
Cut it open. Oh.
Let's see. Over
Does
there.
it work?
They're over there. No, on the. Oh,
Whoa, does it feel like a real basketball?
Ah.
Oh, sorry.
That's a good decision, Diana.
Now Lonnie can say, it's too loud!
Jocelyn.
A very smart gift from Diana, right?
Oh, Jocelyn asked for it. Jocelyn.
Wow, that is really a great invention.
This is a normal ball. And this is a silent ball. Now time to open it. Like this.
Pretty good. So it just expanded by itself.
Oh.
Yeah.
Thank you, Tito Neil, for the gift.
oops.
Yes!
Wow.
I slayed at opening that.
Let's see.
OMG.
It's
How does
a
it open?
gaming
Oh,
keyboard.
oh, there you go. What was that?
Be careful.
Careful with the wire, Jasmine.
Alright, where did it stand? Let's see like that. Me. Happy birthday to.
Like it?
Yay!
Really cool, Jasmine.
This is from the dragon.
Okay, plan to shower.